How to make a logo in Canva with pictures. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a unique logo in Canva using pictures. Logos are essential for branding, and with Canva, you can easily design one that reflects your style. Let's get started. First, open the Canva app or website. Log into your account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you're in, click on Create a Design and select Logo from the drop-down menu. This will open a blank canvas tailored for logo design. On the left sidebar, you'll see a range of templates. You can browse through the logo section to find a starting point. Select a template you like and it will be added to your canvas for customization. To use pictures in your logo, click on Uploads tab on the left sidebar. Then, click on Upload an image or video button to add your own pictures. Select the images you want to use from your device and upload them to Canva. Now that you have your images uploaded, drag and drop them onto your canvas. Resize the position and to fit your logo design. You can also combine your pictures with text by adding a text box. Just click on the text tab and choose a font style that suits your brand. To enhance your logo, adjust the colors and layout. Click on any element to change its color using the toolbar at the top. Ensure the overall design is balanced and reflects the identity you want for your brand. Once you're satisfied with your logo, take a moment to review it. Check for clarity and overall impact. When you're ready, click on the Share button in the top right corner, then select Download. Choose the file format that best suits your needs and hit Download. And that's it. You've created a professional looking logo using pictures in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.